Black Milk presents Sound of the City, Volume 1, Experience.
Yeah. Let's start it off, niggas. Here we go. It's your boy Black. I know y'all ain't expecting no shit from my ass. Nah, Black. Yeah, niggas. I'ma warn y'all, this a long ass intro though, cause I feel like Detroit niggas still getting slept on. So we gon' do it like this. Check it. Yeah, it's the sound of the city that I'm drilling. So I take this time to big up on my niggas like Fat Cat, Slum Villa, Fat Killers. Gonna cue these ring riggins, J Dilla. Yeah, Frank and Dane, Cardi Boys, time to go. Oh, Dwelle G, Guilty, one below. Big Kurt, Trick, D12, yeah. Dreadnoughts, Big Tone, AML, yeah. Subterraneans, Pied Pipers, Raw Collection. That nigga Dez, House Shoes, Moo in 87. Zoe, Macaroc, that nigga Speed. Zoriel, Rock, and Sleepy. It's the motherfucking D, niggas. It's the motherfucking D, nigga. Yeah.